Animals and nature. Pufferfish balloon defense. In the shimmering waters of the Pacific Ocean, near a vibrant coral reef, swam a tiny but determined pufferfish named Pompon. Born to a family of puffers known for their defensive abilities, Pompon was about to face his first real challenge, defending the reef from an impending attack. One day, dark clouds appeared on the horizon. Pompon knew that this meant trouble was coming. He remembered the stories of his elders about the time when their ancestors had to defend the reef from invaders. Pompon felt a surge of determination as he decided to stand guard. As more predators approached, Pompon began to inflate himself. His spiky scales stood out as he prepared for battle. "I must protect my home," Pompon thought bravely, as he positioned himself in front of the reef entrance. The smaller fish in the reef recognized Pompon's bravery and began to hide behind him. With each puff, Pompon grew larger and more intimidating. The predatory fish hesitated, unsure if they could take on the spiky defender. Finally, one of the larger predatory fish attacked Pompon. Pompon released a cloud of poisonous bubbles, dispersing the attackers and saving the reef for now. The smaller fish cheered in relief as they emerged from their hiding spots. Exhausted but proud, Pompon swam back to the safety of the coral. The smaller fish swarmed around him, thanking him for his bravery. "You are the bravest pufferfish I've ever seen," exclaimed one of the younger fish. Pompon smiled, feeling a sense of accomplishment. That night, Pompon slept soundly beneath the protective cover of the coral reef. As he dreamt about his ancestors and their heroic battles, he felt a sense of connection to all pufferfish, past and present, who had defended their homes. The next day, Pompon led the smaller fish on a hunt for food. As they swam gracefully through the coral reef, Pompon felt grateful for the opportunity to protect and provide for his friends. As days turned into weeks, Pompon and the other fish worked tirelessly to protect the eggs. The small group watched over their precious cargo, ensuring that nothing harmed the developing young puffers. One morning, the tiny puffers swam out of their eggs and into the ocean for the first time. Pompon watched with pride as they began to explore the reef, learning from their parents and other fish in the community. As the days went on, Pompon and the others continued to care for their young. They taught them how to inflate themselves when threatened and how to release poisonous bubbles. After a few weeks, the tiny puffers were able to defend themselves in the reef. Pompon had shown great courage and determination in defending the coral reef. He had connected with the smaller fish and learned the importance of community. As he swam alongside his family of puffers and the other colorful fish, Pompon felt a sense of unity and pride. They had faced challenges together and had come out stronger because of it.